Welcome back to Osprey Aligned. Here, we explore universal alignment and synchronizing with the rhythm of nature. This channel exists to help you realign with nature's seasons. Find your rhythm again. Things are beginning to heat up, and we all know that summer's season can be brutal. We are here to make sure you're mentally prepared for what's to come. Not to scare you, but to arm you with the truth so that when summer tests you, you're not blindsided. You see, spring and summer are fundamentally different seasons. Spring is a transition, it's emergence, it's the beginning. You build, you plant, you test new things. Spring is forgiving in that way. It's designed for growth and experimentation. Summer is not spring. Summer is a peak season. This means that lots of things will flourish, hit maturity, and then potentially die off. This is true in nature, and it's true in your life. Not everything that sprouted in spring will endure the heat of summer. Some of your spring projects won't make it. Some relationships that felt promising will fade. Some strategies that worked beautifully won't survive the intensity. Some habits you started with such excitement will crumble. And here's what matters. This is okay. This is not failure. This is summer doing exactly what it's designed to do. Exposing what's actually built to last and what is just beautiful for a season. Summer exposes the truth. It's a nature-designed filter. And the question summer asks is not, will everything survive? The question is, what matters enough to you to maintain it through the heat? That's where maintenance comes in. The maintenance of summer might be the most important mental work of your entire year. Why? Because it mentally prepares you for the losses that will come. It shifts your mindset from shock and disappointment to readiness and resilience. Unlike spring, summer is unpredictable. You can plan beautifully, and then a heat wave comes. You can be intentional with your boundaries, and then someone tests them. You can build a system, and then external circumstances make it obsolete. Summer doesn't follow your timeline. Summer follows nature's logic. And here's the truth. You're also summer sometimes. You also become erratic in the heat. You also lose clarity when things get intense. So it's very important that you are tuned in to what's going on around you, both in your external world and inside yourself. Summer asks you to pay attention, to observe, to notice what's struggling and what's thriving, to distinguish between what needs protecting and what needs to be let go. Because things will fade. Relationships that started in spring may not carry through to fall. Business strategies that were brilliant in May might be outdated in August. Physical items wear out. Mental habits slip. Spiritual discipline gets tested. This is the natural order. And the beautiful truth is, you don't have to fight it. You don't challenge what's fading. You don't overcorrect. You don't white-knuckle your way through trying to save what was never meant to last. You simply observe what's dying, honor it for the purpose it served, and let it go. Mission complete. Thank you. Next, during this season, you are only retaining things with durability, things that can stand the test of time, whether that's strategies implemented in your business, newly created relationships that have proven themselves, or physical, tangible items that still serve you. You keep what's built to last. The mental preparation for summer is this: expect losses to occur, not as punishment, but as natural selection. Summer is the season where the weak fall away and the strong reveal themselves. Mentally prepare yourself for this. Don't go into summer naive. Go in knowing that some things will die off, and that's information, not tragedy. That's data. That's summer doing its job. Now here's where your mindset becomes everything. Two people experience the same losses in summer. Same relationships end. Same strategies fail. Same external challenges hit. But one person uses it to confirm they need to start over next spring, and the other person uses it to build better, stronger systems for the year ahead. The difference is not the summer. The difference is how they respond. When you approach summer with mental preparation, when you expect the exposure, when you're ready to let things fade, you don't spiral into disappointment. You grieve what's necessary. You learn what it's teaching you, and you keep building with better information. That's continuous growth. Year after year, cycle after cycle, you're not restarting, you're building on what actually works. That's how you align yourself. Not perfectly, but intentionally. Not without losses, but with resilience. Summer is a trap, but not the kind meant to destroy you. It's a trap meant to expose weakness only so you can come back stronger. The weak strategies fall away so you keep the strong ones. The relationships that aren't rooted deeply enough reveal themselves, so you invest more wisely next time. The physical and mental habits that don't have substance get exposed so you build better ones. This is not punishment, this is refinement. So as you step into summer's heat, I want you to take a few steps back mentally. Slow down, analyze everything you're carrying. Don't overthink it, just be intentional in reviewing your previous vision. Does it still align with your process? Are you carrying things forward out of momentum or out of genuine durability? This doesn't mean no social life. This doesn't mean all work and no play. This is not a call to asceticism or isolation. Summer is also a season of celebration and enjoyment. But it's celebration with awareness. It's joy grounded in reality. You can enjoy summer's fruits while maintaining what created those fruits. You can have a social life while protecting your systems. You can rest while staying intentional. The maintenance of summer is about being clear-eyed. It's about knowing what you're carrying and why. It's about being ready for what will fall away and at peace with it. Because that's the only way you survive summer, not just intact, but transformed. You go through the heat, you let what's weak fall away, you strengthen what remains, and you emerge into fall with a clearer picture of what's actually yours to carry. That's mental preparation. That's maintenance. That's how you thrive through summer, not by fighting the season, but by understanding it. Welcome to summer's mental test. You're ready.